Do you ever think, gosh, all this time that I spend on social media, what if I could actually make money while I'm on social media? Let's be honest, how many of us spend a ton of time consuming content on social media? And it's good. I know we all like to do it. But what if you could actually take some of that time and turn it into an income for yourself? That is precisely how I have made a 4-figure income in the last 2 weeks. In fact, a 4-figure income in one day at one point, by choosing to use my time in a different way. I followed a 2-hour strategy that I was taught with a digital course that I bought. And now I am making 4 figures, hopefully a 5-figure month income. And I enjoy social media. Sometimes I spend too much time on it. So I figured, why not take that time and actually do something that'll make me feel good, that can financially be good for me and for my family. So if this is something that you've been thinking about, right? You're on social media anyway. I know we sometimes say, well, I don't want to show up on social media. I don't want to do this on social media. That's fine. There's ways to show up on social media without talking like this, without showing your face. But you are on social media. It is an amazing tool and it's free. And if it's a free tool that can make you income, why not? Comment income if this is something you want to explore.